okay, okay. Yeah.
Alright, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make the viral
TikTok
cinnamon rolls. So we have cinnamon rolls, a cup of blueberries, organic blueberries from Trader Joe's, and we got this whipped cream cheese also from Trader Joe's. This is how it looks. And I have my baking dish. So the first step, you're gonna take 1 and 2 and 3 tablespoons of whipped cream cheese and spread it all over the bottom. So I open the cinnamon rolls with a knife. This is a frosting, so I'm just going to lay them out. And we're all done. There's 5 in each pack. And next, just sprinkling the blueberries all over the top. I'm gonna add some of this here Jamaican brown sugar. Just a little bit. Oven 350, timer set to 20 minutes. Now they go in the oven. The cinnamon rolls look so good. I can't wait until they're done. 10 seconds and they are done. Fresh out the oven, and next, my favorite part, the frosting. OMG, look how good this looks. The viral TikTok cinnamon rolls. And this is the finale. Viral TikTok blueberry cinnamon rolls with whipped cream cheese on the bottom and whipped coconut topping on top. OMG, do you see what it's looking like? These are everything. The TikTok blueberry coconut cream cinnamon rolls with hot chocolate.